Nobody cares about that. Let's just live with it forever. Ah, boy. It is what it is. It is what it is. Just like people will lie, they will lie to you. Over and over again, they'll say, well, if you only slept less hours, if you only worked harder, if you had the correct certification, if you copyrighted your brand, if you know, all this stuff, they'll come up with something. Oh no, but if you do it this way, it'll work. If you don't do it that way, your business will thrive. If you make longer videos and you make it super high quality, high definition with awesome microphones, and you shoot in high definition, your YouTube channel will be fantastic. All that stuff. Yo, what's up to my friends in the police?
Likey